what is going on, guys? Today I'm coming at you with a brand new setup. It's the same camera, but I got a new mic and I've got new camera settings. I did a lot of research into figuring out the best camera settings for this camera at nighttime, so I'm hoping that the picture is good. Let me know if it looks good. Please let me know. I want to know if you guys like this and if the audio quality is good. I've had a couple people comment about it. One guy in particular, shout out to you, bro. I'm forgetting what your name is right now, but I appreciate you letting me know some tips and tricks. I hope you like this mic because it'll be a while before I get a new one. Bro, we've got a ton of people at the gas station right now. It's not a vibe at all, actually. My gosh, dude, none of my windows can roll down. It's so cold. Literally, bro. Literally. Oh, I guess this one does. No. If it's not gonna roll down, bro, don't let it go down, because it's not gonna come back up if it does. You can quote me on that. It's not going back up all the way, bro. Dude, for it being like literally 1 degree outside, my car is not handling bad. It's not handling bad at all. Probably got to go around these people. But dude, it's literally been warming up for 40 minutes. I let it warm up for a while at work and it's still not, it's supposed to be in the middle of that, but it's still not there yet. Dude, I hope that you guys can see. I really hope that the camera settings are conducive to this low light environment. That would be a real bummer if you couldn't see. Bro, sit back and enjoy the ride. Damn, dude, that's so crazy. Going faster made my car cool down. It is so cold that, like, accelerating made my car cool down. I cannot even believe that. My temp is like down to 153. That is probably, I should probably slow down a little bit. Yeah, dude, I do not want to break down right now. That would suck. Dude, it's so cold that like my clutch is like noticeably slower going down. You guys, this might be the coldest day of the year. Guys. I don't know. I think it might be a little dangerous to drive today. You guys, it might be dangerous. You guys, I don't want to damage my car. Guys, what if? Guys, wait, no. Guys, what if I, oh. Okay, all right, bro. A little subtle drift in the subdivision never hurt anybody, okay? Don't tell the HOA, though. I don't need these Karens coming after me again. Uh-oh. It's the next day, and I just left work. Last night, I was gonna go out, but it was literally the coldest day I've ever experienced in my life. I think it was like negative, it's like something ridiculous, negative something ridiculous. Dude, I might have made a friend. Finally, dude, another Subaru, finally. I have not seen another Subaru on the road in so, no, dude, don't go that way, please, don't go that way. Damn it! I have to go this way, brother. Wow. Well, that was short-lived, but it's all right, guys. Okay, let's go. Come on. Turn. I don't have patience. Oh, dude, I do not want to guardrail my shit today. The roads are actually so bad. dude, let's go. We've got an open road. Dude, it's so nice, bro. Dude, I love this car so much. My gosh. I mean, listen to it, bro. Just like take a second to listen to this. Bro, like, I'm sorry, bro. I can't give that up. I can't put down the Cobb. You guys, right now, I'm on my way to go get a big gulp for my wife. Dude, we're here, but the people are here too. There's too many people is what I'm trying to say. Like, when I do like a photo shoot with my car or like make videos or whatever, there's gotta be nobody else there. Like, that's the vibe, you know what I mean? I might get gas while I'm here. Oh, actually, bro, this one's out of service, so I can just park here. It's fine. You guys, we got the big gulp. We got it. It's in my grasp. Bro, this is one of those intersections that like the right lane cuts in at the end. And so everybody here knows that if you're in this lane, you're gonna be either getting behind this guy or you're gonna be cutting in front. And I don't know, bro, it kind of looks like it's a nice Lincoln. It might be kind of quick. I don't know, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I guess old versus new. Old versus new. We'll see who's in front at the end of all this. No, he was sleeping. He was sleeping. Tesla still messed me up. You guys, I still need to get like a good spot to take a video of this car. Maybe I'll hit this school parking lot under a light. Dude, I miss my camera though, bro. It was like so easy. I had the best setup. I could like just use my little gimbal and I had a little joystick. I had a joystick and I could control it. So it didn't need a steady hand. So I think that I'm gonna be kind of learning a new skill here with this, just like recording with my phone. I have not recorded anything like this before. Okay, bro, this might be a little bit too much. I'm in like the school pickup. I'm not here to pick up a kid, okay? I promise. I swear it. I just want to go under one of these lights. Dude, can I get over there? Oh my gosh, bro, you're gonna make me go all the way around. We'll just go right here. There's a big cone right there in the way, but center up on the street light. I think the street light might look sick, dude. I'm thinking, are both my headlights working? Because if they're not, I don't want to use them. Just one. Okay, that looks stupid. If I turn the light bar on, how's that? Okay. Well, you guys will know. That also looks stupid too. What we'll do is we'll turn it off and we'll turn these on. Turn them off. How's that? Okay. Oh, now that one's on. Okay, so this, dude, you gotta be joking. This car is so ridiculous. Okay. So we've got this new cinematic mode on the iPhone that I really have never tried out before. I don't love that there's a bunch of traffic in the background. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad. Get something from far away. I kind of want to capture that, like the light. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking, dude, it's so cold. I'm shaking, bro. Let's get some of that action though. Dude, the flash kind of like adds a lot though. It's really dirty. Okay, we'll get some of that cone. Bro, I just want to get out of here. I don't want to get stuck in this in this maze. Can I get out this way? No, I gotta go all the way back around. Nice. Okay, there we go. Dude, my lights are so messed up. Like this bright only works and this headlight only works. And then if I have the light bar on, it works for everything. So I have to keep the light bar on all the time. Okay, go, 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 go. We'll see how that looks in post. And I'll actually, you know what I'll do? I'll compare it to one of my older videos where I got some like more smooth footage. I don't know how it's gonna come out, if it's gonna be any different. Dude, we're stuck behind a student driver. Bro, no hate to student drivers, but those guys drive so slow. Oh my gosh, dude, keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm going straight. Thank God. That's good news. That's very good news right there. Goodbye. I love you guys, peace.